Where are those coming from, do you know? No? Saw 3 move to the left.
Yeah, there's a couple behind the...
Yeah, and there's 1 or 2 behind that tree.
Yeah. Alright.
Top floor, they got range up there.
Sorry, boys.
I don't have the range. It's working.
I might.
See him?
Yeah, behind these things?
Yeah, behind the tree? No. To the
Over
right
here?
a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Between the bunkers, the tree, it looks like a Y. There's a guy just prone as well.
How's he?
Oh yeah, he's hit.
Good.
Is he hit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at 3-story first floor!
Have you got any eyes on any of these bunkers here?
Straight ahead, just to treat it, so.
Okay. I'm gonna push to this tree.
Sure.
I think. Going. Hit!
Alright, let's go. Inside. Third floor is clear.
No, where's Pesky's down? Where's Pesky down at?
Alright. I need you to step out with a lot of fire up there. Where are they firing from? There's a space in between the out part, a little crack. Stop throw. Where? Going out! Medic!
Come with me, brother. This way. Right. Get him right here. Alright. Got our medic back.
I don't think so. I think Brad's good.
Oh. Hey, look. He's on our team.
Yeah. Good. Let's go.
Let's go.
Move in. Let's go. Okay, coming in. Yeah.
Moving.
Go. Alright, we have 10 at the end of the hall. We have 10 in this doorway here.
Tan or green?
Or green, rather.
The doors at the very end of the hall, they're shooting through the square window.
Pressing third floor.
Next door on the right.
We hit them. Let's go.
Let's go. Where's our medics?
They moved the flag, so I'm assuming that they got up there, but no one told them.
Every time flag is shot. I hear you. What's up?
Guys, use the right windows to help the guys on the right side of the field. Okay. Good job. Any shots from this window? No. Is that a guy behind that tire over there? Oh, fogged up. Right here. No, right here. See that pole holding the roof up? Is that a guy? Is he alive?
Yeah, there's 2 or 3 of them. I can't range them.
That got hit? Nice. One down. Good job.